Good morning, children. Today, let's start chapter 16 Building a New State of your English literature. Children, this is an extract from Ignited Minds Unleashing the Power Within India by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Children, you know Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India and an aerospace scientist. He was born and raised in the small town of Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. And children, he was honored with two of the country's highest honors, the Padma Vibhushan in 1990 and the Bharat Ratna in 1997. So children, this is an extract. Extract is a part of something, part of any story. So now let's come to the chapter. Children, you know the renowned physicist and former president of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, describes his own experiences and India's challenges. Now he is saying that I began this book with my travel to Jharkhand state in the month of September 2001. Children, when Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, when respected Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was on his visit to Jharkhand in September 2001. After the visit, he wrote a book that is called Ignited Minds. And this chapter is all about of that book. And now he is saying that my purpose on this visit was to work out a development program in the area of herbs, forest products and other natural resources. After meeting with the Chief Minister Babulai Marandi, the Minister for Science and Technology Samresh Singh and other concerned officials. When I landed at Ranchi, a group of boys and girls greeted me with lots of flowers. I was quite moved by their regard for a simple scientist and their trust in dreams. Children, when respected Abdul Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam was on his visit to Jharkhand. He had a meeting with the Chief Minister of that state. The name of the Chief Minister is Babulai Marandi and some other officials. One of them was Minister of Science and Technology Samresh Singh also. When he landed at the Ranchi airport, a group of boys and girls greeted him with lots of flowers and with lots of respect. He was quite moved by their regard for a simple scientist and their trust in his dreams. Now he is saying that I recalled my earlier visit to the hill region about 75 kilometers away from Ranchi. As I met the people of the hill region, young and old, in the Blaze complex, sitting like them on the ground, one thing was clear to me: my presence here was ordained. The components for development were all there: a fertile area with good rainfall, tall trees, and rich vegetation, and people who were willing to work hard. Their faces were lit up with happiness so pure it is rarely seen anymore in the cities at least. However, their bodies looked tired, showing signs of excess work for a bare livelihood. Now he is saying that he is recalling his earlier visit to the hill region about 75 kilometers from Ranchi. As he met the people of hill region, the people were young, old, and many kinds of people in Blaze complex, sitting like them on the ground. And one thing was clear to him, that the presence of respected Abdul Kalam ji was ordained. Ordained means, children, was officially ordered, means his visit was officially ordered. And the components means parts of the whole. for development were all there. Means everything was available to develop the state, as the area was fertile and the good rainfall was there and tall trees and rich vegetation, and people also were very hardworking, and their faces were lit up with happiness so pure it is really seen to work. And he is saying that in the other cities you cannot find the people like them who are ready to do hard work. However, their bodies looked tired, but they were showing signs for access work for a bare livelihood. On this visit, we made some headway in drawing up a viable plan for developing a herbal drugs industry in the state. Our purpose was that the drugs be manufactured within the state itself so as to provide increased income to the state from value addition and also boost industry there. There was a new experiment for the state and for us, what it offered tremendous scope. Now he is saying that there was everything in that state to develop itself, and the purpose was that the drugs be manufactured within the state itself so that the state will increase their income and the value addition and also boost industry there. After the meeting, we started for Bokaro, the steel city. The weather was cloudy and we wondered if the flight would be cancelled. Now, after the meeting, respected Abdul Kalam ji wanted to go to Steel City, Bokaro. The weather was not good and weather was cloudy and they wondered if the flight would be cancelled. Now, Kalamji was thinking that flight would be cancelled. A Pawan Hans helicopter had been hired by the state government. A Pawan Hans helicopter hired by the state government, and Abdul Kalam ji asked the pilot whether we would fly in this weather or not. All smiles, and pilot promised Abdul Kalam Sahab a beautiful flight, and so the helicopter took off with Abdul Kalam Sahab and two other passengers. Now he is saying that I have often flown in helicopter but did not find the weather particularly rough on this occasion. However, the pilot was skillful and I even congratulated him at one point for keeping the flight smooth in spite of the turbulence. It was marvelous experience as we flew over vast stretches of forest and hills and streams. Means they flew over the forest, stretches and everything, and many kind of areas they flew over. I wondered whether this precious natural wealth could be conserved from mindless destruction for short term business gains. With such thoughts in my mind, I noticed that we had started descending. Now he was thinking everything and he was looking everything out of the helicopter. Just then he noticed that they had started descending. Suddenly I found the two pilots in agitated discussion. I became alert myself. Looking down, I could see a large number of cars and people everywhere. Then the crash. The helicopter hit the ground with a shattering sound. Broken parts flew around us and I could see fire engines rush towards us. Means after some time of took off, a helicopter was crashed and everything was dismissed. Now Abdul Kalam was looking that everywhere there are lot of cars and everywhere there are lot of people, and then helicopter crashed and hit the ground with a shattering sound. Broken parts flew everywhere and the engines rushed towards them. Now he is saying that I simply got out of the helicopter that had hit the ground as a dead weight. Fortunately, the engine failed. We were quite close to the ground. Means just few meters above the ground, engine failed and helicopter hit the ground after a long sound. And he's saying that had it failed moment, Olabi could have perished under the impact of the free fall. The pilots were in a state of shock and looked at me helplessly. I held their hands and thanked them. I said sometimes it happens with flying machines, and as pilot they have to face it with courage. Means now APJ Abdul Kalam ji saying that you are a pilot and you will have to be courageous, because many times flying machines do like that, and we are safe, don't worry, and you will have to be a courageous person. I had to address the Chinmay Vidyalaya student and they would all be waiting, so we rushed to the school, leaving behind the crash and the shock. The school's principal Krishnaswamy received me and the students showered rose petals as I walked to the days through the auditorium. News of the crash had preceded my arrival. The children sat in pine drop silence. To ease the tension, I told the young gathering, friends, when I was traveling from Ranchi to here, I admired God's great gift to the state. Under the ground and above it, you have minerals in abundance. The rich soil of the Jharkhand plains can give bountiful crops. चलन बाउंटीफुल मीन्स इन हिंदी आप कह सकते हैं प्रचुर मात्रा में, है ना, भरपूर मात्रा में जो क्रॉप्स हैं वो कलाम साहब कह रहे हैं कि आप झारखंड में प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. व्हेन आई वाज फ्लाइंग ओवर द लवली फॉरेस्ट एंड द वैलीज एंड हिल्स, द थॉट of the wealth they hold in terms of forest and herbal products was very reassuring. On the ground, I saw a fully operational steel plant. Now, what I see in front of me and what the new state is famous for is its industrious people. So, this state has all the wealth needed. It is a land waiting for a transforming to occur. I see in the future villages will be provided with urban facilities and which are self-contained in respect of education, health and occupation. Today's incident will help define my remaining life's mission. I forgot my inconvenience during the landing after seeing the state's wealth. How can you use this core competence to become a developed state? For that you have to work in the mission mode. मीन्स अब्दुल कलाम साहब कह रहे हैं यहाँ पे जब वो पहुँचते हैं चिन्मय विद्यालय में, तो बच्चों को उन्हें एड्रेस करना होता है. उस विद्यालय के जो बच्चे होते हैं उनको संबोधित करना होता है, वहाँ पे उन्हें भाषण देना होता है. तो बच्चों को कहते हैं, क्योंकि उससे पहले उनका हेलीकॉप्टर क्रैश हो चुका होता है, सारी देश में इस चीज़ की खबर फैल चुकी होती है कि कलाम साहब का जो हेलीकॉप्टर है वो क्रैश हो गया. तो इस चीज़ से लोग परेशान भी होते हैं. तो सारी चीज़ों को, इस दिक्कत को, इस टेंशन को दूर करने के लिए वो लोगों को संबोधित करते हुए कहते हैं कि मैं जब वहाँ से रांची से चला था तो मैंने देखा कि आपका जो स्टेट है वो बहुत ही समृद्ध है. यहाँ पे सब कुछ है, क्रॉप्स हैं, फॉरेस्ट हैं, वैलीज हैं, हिल्स हैं, है ना, एवरीथिंग दैट इज़ नीडेड टू डेवलप अ स्टेट. जो किसी भी स्टेट को डेवलप करने के लिए ज़रूरी चीज़ें होती हैं वो सारा कुछ आपके स्टेट में है ना. और जब मैं वहाँ से आया, रांची से निकला, तो मैंने सारा कुछ ये देखा और मैंने आपका स्टील प्लांट भी देखा जो कि मैं अब सामने से देख सकता हूँ, है ना. तो ये सारी चीज़ें वो बच्चों से बात करते हुए कहते हैं. और उन्होंने देखा कि वहाँ पे लोग भी जो थे वो भी हेल्पिंग थे और काफ़ी हार्ड वर्किंग थे. और वो कह रहे हैं कि आप जो हैं एक डेवलप स्टेट हो सकते हैं, सारा कुछ अपने स्टेट में डेवलप कर सकते हैं. जो गांव हैं, जो अर्बन एरियाज़ है, उनकी तरह हो सकते हैं. कहने का मतलब एक शहरी एरिया में जो चीज़ें फैसिलिटीज़ प्राप्त होती हैं वो गांव में भी आपके यहाँ पे प्राप्त की जा सकती हैं, है ना. नाउ टुडेज क्लास इज़ ओवर एंड वी विल नो about rest part of the chapter tomorrow. Thank you, children.